Welcome to Bluff City Grub.
We've done wings on a gas grill. They turned out great, but they're better on a charcoal grill. We're going to show you how to smoke wings today. We don't want any boring gas grill wings. We want smoked fried wings, Bluff City style. Layers of flavor.
For our game day wings, we're going to show you how to get those prepped ahead of time so that you only spend 15 minutes over the fryer on game day. Don't miss kickoff this year.
Roll the intro. If you guys like the video today, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
Alright, through the magic of time, we've got a 24-hour brine here with our hot wing sauce. First step we got here is we're going to go ahead and strain it. Normally at Bluff City, we'd rinse these wings, we'd dry them off, but no need this time. We've brined them in the hot wing sauce. We want that flavor to carry through. We're just going to pile them up here on the plate. All right, we've got our first layer of flavor, which is the French hot wing sauce. Now we're just going to take another layer of flavor here. We're going to go ahead and hit it with some Bluff City Rub. You can catch this rub in the recipe below. We're not going to hit this too heavy. Remember, we're going to be adding layers of flavor throughout the video.
So what's so special about these wings, Jay?
Oh, it's all the layers of flavor, Greg. You got your hot sauce in the beginning, nice little rub in the middle, fry them for that nice crispy finish. All right, once we get them seasoned, we're going to flip them over and do the same thing. All right, we've got everything flipped over, same thing, just season it on the other side. Just want to get a good coating.
And our temperature is right at 275, and that's what we want. 275, 250, somewhere right around there. It's a good temperature to cook at. You want to smoke your chicken hot. If you don't, it tends to get rubbery. We're smoking on pecan today. And we got our chicken thighs already on here. We're using these for game day too. But be sure to check out the end of the video because we're going to have a link to that video as well.
Now, Greg, one of the things we're doing here is we're actually smoking the wings and the thighs a day ahead. That way we can cut down our cook time on game day. You know, we don't want to miss that game. We don't want to miss kickoff.
Right. I've done that too many times, man, where I'm sitting there watching the game. While I'm sitting there cooking, everybody else is watching the game. I'm just not having a good time, man. I'm out there slaving away over the grill. I want everybody to eat my food, but I want to enjoy the party too. I'm hosting the party, but I want to enjoy it. We let these roll and get a decent smoke flavor. We're going to come back in probably about 30 minutes and season these guys up a little bit more. All right, so we're about 30 minutes in. Let's go ahead and check our chicken. Now, we got chicken thighs, we got chicken wings here. Both looking good. We're going to go ahead and season them again. Bluff City Grub, layers of flavor. That's what we're known for right here. Let's get these wings over here. Oh, yeah. Smoke smells delicious. Really good.
Oh, Greg, let's give these guys a flip and season them again.
All right, so we got our chicken wings and our thighs flipped here. We're going to go ahead and hit them with another layer of seasoning. With the chicken wings, we want to pull these about 145 or so. That's the magic number for these wings. Like I said, we're not cooking them all the way done because we're going to fry them after this. You can do this the day before and throw them in the refrigerator overnight and then bring them out the next day and fry them.
One of the things we're looking for our wings is between 145 and 155. It lets us know these wings are ready to be fried. So what we're going to go do is take all these wings off. They're right where we want them. We're going to let them sit overnight in the fridge, be ready to go tomorrow morning on game day. All right, we pulled our wings out of the fridge. They sat overnight. These guys are ready to fry. We went with just a cast iron pot here. We've got our oil up to about 350. And we're looking to cook these wings so they get about 185 internal temperature. Maybe 185, 195. Should be about 3 to 5 minutes. We're just going to flash fry these, get these skins crisped up, and toss them in our favorite sauce or dry rub. All right, for our wings, we're looking anywhere between 185 to 205 for temperature. That lets us know that they're ready. We got 201, 204 here. These guys are a little more than we'd like. We're gonna set them off over here, get the next batch started. Got the second batch going in, take us about 5 minutes. All right, we got our second set of wings done. These guys are starting to float to the top. That's what we're looking for. Meat's starting to pull back from the bone. These guys are going to be crispy and fantastic. We're going to be tossing the second set in what we call our Bluff City Grub Sweet Heat. These wings are going to come out sweet and spicy. Now, Bluff City, we know everyone doesn't like sweet heat. We're going to hit these guys up with some jerk, toss them in dry rub. So we got a little variety for our guests for game day. All right, so we've hit it with our Bluff City Sweet Heat. Of course, you guys can find that recipe below. And as always, we do layer the flavor. We've got our Bluff City Rub. The last thing you always want to do is season your wings at the end and then toss them in your sauce. All these guys are looking great. All right, now they're all ready. We're gonna get these plated up for our guests. We've got our game day wings ready. We started about 45 minutes before game time. We're not missing kickoff. We've got our Jamaican jerk, smoked and fried wings, and also our sweet heat, Bluff City Grub. Of course, you guys can find the recipe below.